Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and the premise of this video is to discuss the if logical function. So when I say if, I don't mean this original IF, I mean the IIF. So what that is, it is a shorthand version of the if-else statement and or case statement, but it only accepts 3 arguments. So let's start building out this query, and I'm going to demonstrate how to use it properly. So we're going to take our receipts table, we're going to join it to our weapons table. We're going to skip the weapons list, give it an alias, do a quick join up, do an on, I suppose, and do weapon ID equals weapon ID. Alrighty, so now what we're going to do is we're going to store the sale date up there. And just the sale date, and we can do the weapon name up there as well. So weapon name. Then we're going to actually do some multiplication here. I'm going to do sale quantity times the actual price. I'm going to say as total order amount. Now we're going to bring out our if function. So it's IIF. You have your parentheses. We're actually going to take this because this is going to be our expression. We're going to take the sales quantity times the weapon price. We're going to say if it's greater or equals to 150,000, then good sale. So the first argument, which is the good sale, that's going to be true. And this is going to be the false value if it doesn't hit that parameter. I'm going to say needs more marketing. And just like any other function inside of SQL, you have to give it a name or it's going to have a no name column. So we'll say as sales remarks. Okie doke. So we're going to highlight this and execute it. And as you can see, we have 11,911 rows. But as we comb through the data, we see this is a $50,000 sale. Needs more marketing because it's not greater or equal to 150,000. So that is how you use the if logical function. Hope this was helpful. I hope you're able to execute this at a later date or able to apply it soon. Thank you and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.